people through their weight behind President Bola Tinubu's tax reform bills as against the calls by state governors for withdrawal of the proposed legislation. The deputy spokesman of the House, Representative Philip Abasi, stated this in Abuja. According to the representative, lawmakers consider the tax reform bill as critical for the growth of the economy and as such are ready to support the four added that some governors are threatening to deny lawmakers from their states return tickets on the 2027 election if they support the bills. There is the need for ethical framework to guide the adoption of artificial intelligence in public service delivery. The Director General of the Bureau of Public Service Reforms, Dr. Dasuki Arabi, stated this at a roundtable discussion on public service reforms in Abuja this Monday, emphasizing the need for early planning and how to align with emerging technologies. Dr. Arabi stated that open data initiatives, artificial intelligence ethics, and accountability frameworks must become central to government strategy. According to the Bureau of Public Service Reforms (DG), Nigeria's adoption of AI must be accompanied by a robust ethics and framework to ensure its effective and responsible integration into public service operations. The authorities in Katsina State have launched a transformative women empowerment program designed to boost small and medium-scale enterprises across the state. The main man in the state, Malam Diko Rada, who launched the 5 billion naira empowerment program, said it was a demonstration of his administration's commitment to women's financial independence and economic growth. Commending the initiative, which provides 30,000 naira grants to 1,000 women from the state, Governor Rada noted that empowering women is crucial for building resilient families and stronger economies. The Ogun State Governor, Prince Dr. Abiodun, has sworn in the 20 newly elected chairmen and vice chairmen who will pilot the affairs of the local governments in the state in the next 3 years. Speaking at the event held at June 12 Cultural Center in Abeokuta, Governor Abiodun charged the chairman and vice chairman to see their election as a call to service, set the agenda by instituting purposeful governance that will engender more development at the grassroots level. Describing the result of the election as instructive and inspiring, Governor Abiodun submitted a to good governance implemented by the current administration in the last 5 years across the state. He urged the chairman to appreciate the confidence reposed in them by the people of the state by aligning with stakeholders such as their councillors, traditional rulers, youths, and members of the public in ensuring peace and effective security architecture in the domains. Still at home, the government is taking proactive steps towards the elimination of malaria among residents through prevention, early diagnosis, and treatment. The Deputy Governor, Engineer Noimat Salafoyedele, stated this at the flag for the distribution of free insecticide treated nets in the state held this Monday at the Obas campus. The deputy governor, who is also the state net ambassador, expressed concern over the huge negative effect of malaria on the health and well-being of the people, especially children under the age of 5 and pregnant women, being a major cause of maternal and child mortality. Engineer who thanked the Global Fund Society for Family Health and other partners for their support contributed households across communities between Tuesday and Saturday, describing the distribution as a milestone in the fight against the disease, charging the residents to embrace another opportunity to keep malaria at bay by visiting various distribution points for the collection of the ITNs. She advised them to sleep under the net correctly and consistently to achieve the desired results. The deputy governor also called on stakeholders, including community leaders and the media, to assist in the campaign against the spread of malaria through the use of ITNs, saying the task of making Ogun malaria free is a collective responsibility. In the meantime, malaria is fast becoming a global burden. Therefore, A rethinking is ongoing at the federal level on how best to tackle it. The Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Ali Pati, said that this are the flag off of the insecticide treated net distribution campaign in Ogun State held at the Abbas complex in Okimosa, Abeokuta this Monday, represented by a director of the Federal Ministry of Health, Dr. David Oyeleke. The minister said malaria rate in Ogun is high, therefore the need for people to ensure the use of the net. Also speaking, the national coordinator, National Malaria Elimination Program, Dr. Godwin Taden, represented by Mrs. Mary Ezema, and the Managing Director, Society for Farming Health, Dr. Omokudu Idobo, represented by Mr. John Okoli, said in view of the goal to reduce malaria prevalence, the organizations are working with the State Ministry of Health with funding from Global Fund to distribute over 3 million insecticide treated nets across the state. Earlier in a welcome address, the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Tommy Kuka, said the current administration of the state remained committed to public health and has consistently demonstrated this in the wide distribution of ITN and other health related programs. On sport, the Super Eagles will be without and defender Olaino for Monday's 2025 against Rwanda. Interim coach Augustin Iguavon explained at the pre-match news conference that Nottingham Forest pleaded to have Aina early enough to prepare for the weekend game against Arsenal. The coach also made it known that Atlanta winger Demola Lookman has an injury and will not be able to play well. The three-time African champions have already qualified for the Continental Showcase. That was the news across Nigeria and OGBC packaged by Chris Ovo. For exclusive programs and the latest news updates, visit our website at www.radio Abeokuta and on X at OGBC 95 FM. You can also listen